जनरिक आधार की तरफ से आप सभी को हैप्पी रिपब्लिक डे। आज हम लोग ने 5th फेज ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स हम लोग ने आज लॉन्च कर दिए हैं, जिससे अप टू 80% तक की और रेंज जो सेविंग्स हो सकते हैं हर एक इंसान के, वो हम लोग ने आज लॉन्च किए। पहले जो फर्स्ट फेज, सेकंड फेज, थर्ड फेज और फोर्थ फेज हम लोग ने पिछले 1 साल में लॉन्च किए। इतने कम समय में इतना अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स जनरिक आधार को पूरे 150 शहरों से, जहाँ हमारे फ्रेंचाइजी आउटलेट आज उपलब्ध है, वहाँ पर लोगों की डिमांड सामने से आती जा रही है कि हमको जनरिक आधार के प्रोडक्ट चाहिए, क्योंकि वही क्वालिटी के प्रोडक्ट्स इतने कम दामों में जनरिक आधार प्रोवाइड करवा रही है। हमारा जो मकसद है कि 130 करोड़ लोगों को अफोर्डेबल मेडिसिन मिलने चाहिए, और ये मेडिसिन मतलब लग्जरियस एक्सपेंस नहीं है, बेसिक नेसेसिटी है। तो आज हमारी पूरी फार्मासिस्ट टीम ने इसके ऊपर काम कर रहे हैं, उनको और कम रेट में हम लोगों तक कैसे पहुंचा सकते हैं। अभी कल ही हमारे पास में एक फ्रेंचाइजी की इंक्वायरी आई, जहाँ पर मतलब हमारे टीम मेट ने मुझे ये फोटो मुझे भेजा। आज हमारे इंडिया को 73 ईयर्स हो गए आज रिपब्लिक होने के बाद में, बट आज के तारीख में भी हमारे इंडिया में ऐसे बहुत सारे गांव है जहाँ पर आज की तारीख में एक हॉस्पिटल है, एक फार्मेसी है और एक डॉक्टर है। आज कल की तारीख में अगर आप फोटो में देख सकते हैं, यहाँ पर ये जो डॉक्टर है बिहार में कुशेश्वर आस्थान, ये गांव का नाम है। यहाँ से हमको आज फ्रेंचाइजी की इंक्वायरी आई, और जनरिक आधार का मकसद सिर्फ मुंबई, दिल्ली, बैंगलोर जैसे शहरों में काम करना नहीं है, बट ऐसे छोटे छोटे शहरों में जाके गाँवों में जाके वहाँ के लोगों को अफोर्डेबल मेडिसिन हम लोग देने का पूरा प्रयास यहाँ पर कर रहे हैं। मतलब हमारे डायबिटिक से लेके हाइपरटेंशन से लेके गैस्ट्रो से लेके एंटी डायबिटिक एवरी रेंज हम लोग की वही क्वालिटी से WHO से हम लोग मैन्युफैक्चरिंग करवा के डायरेक्ट मैन्युफैक्चर से टू द एंड कंज्यूमर दे रहे हैं। और एक फार्मेसी के लिए नहीं तो एक बिजनेस ओनर के लिए हम लोग एक फ्रेंचाइजी की बिजनेस अपॉर्चुनिटी भी दे रहे हैं। तो एक इकोसिस्टम बना के पूरे फार्मा इंडस्ट्री में हम लोग काम कर रहे हैं आज, और इसकी वजह से बहुत लोगों का अच्छा डिमांड और रिस्पॉन्स मिलता जा रहा है। तो हम लोग ये रिपब्लिक डे के अवसर पर हम लोग एज एन इंडियन एक संकल्प लेते हैं कि एक्सपेंसिव मेडिसिन मुक्त भारत का।
Warm welcome everyone. Only and only because of tremendous response all across India for Janrik Aadhar product, we are proud to launch our 5th phase of product launching of Janrik Aadhar. In the extension to the last product launch of dapagliflozin in 10 mg, today we are launching Dapa 10 plus metformin 500 mg, which is anti-diabetic medicines which reduces blood sugar level by lowering sugar production in liver. Wherein the MNC prices are 170 rupees per 10 tablet, Janrik Aadhar is only offering this product at 66 rupees for 10 tablets per strip, and wherein we are saving 62% of all across India citizens hard on money on their pocket. Thank you so much.
Today on great occasion of 73rd Republic Day, Janrik Aadhar is entering into the 5th phase of product launch. In 5th phase, we have covered various therapeutic categories like pain management, anti-diabetic, cardiovascular and antifungal. In pain management, we have already launched diclofenac gel, diclofenac oil, and they are doing tremendous results in the market. Now, in addition to that, as per the customer requirement across India, we have launched diclofenac spray. This particular spray provides the immediate relief at the affected area. It is highly recommended for the arthritis patients and all the joint pains. Now this product is available with Janrik Aadhar stores. We can see where the MNC companies are providing this product as at rupees 210 for 40 gram pack. Janrik Aadhar is optimized the diclo spray at 55 gram, and as end customer can save their hard-earned money. They can buy this product from Janrik Aadhar stores at rupees 95 for 55 gram pack.
It's been pleasure that Janrik Aadhar is entering into the 5th phase of product launch. With the addition to our earlier product, that is azithromycin 500 mg tablet, we are happy to announce the same product but in new strength, that is azithromycin 250 mg tablet. It belongs to an broad spectrum antibiotic, that is bacteriostatic agent. It is used to treat wide varieties of bacterial infections, specially used in respiratory tract infections, skin infections, throat infections, sinus, ear and eyes and many more. It works by stopping the bacterial growth and thus prevent the infection from further spreading. And this medicine is widely prescribed for the COVID conditions, and as the customers were having high demand for this medicine, so generic Aadhar has come up with the new strength, that is azithromycin 250 mg tablets. And all these products are manufactured at WHO and GMP certified facilities, and it will be available in all our generic Aadhar stores at best quality and an affordable price, up to 80% discount as compared to the other MNC companies. Whereas other MNCs offering these medicines at only 73 per strip of 6 tablets, but generic Aadhar is offering the same medicine at 41.5 per strip of 6 tablets. That means customer can save their hard-earned money up to 45% discount on azithromycin 250 mg tablets. Thank you.
आज़ादी की राह पर बढ़ाता है जनरिक आधार अपना 5वां कदम। अच्छी और किफ़ायती दरों में मेडिसिन लेके आए हैं हम। नाउ वी आर लॉन्चिंग कीटोकोनाजोल 2% soap which comes in antifungal category. These soaps is widely used in soft skin tissue infection, skin rashes and scalp treatment. These products is available in across the India in generic Aadhar franchisee up to 80% discount. Now MNC are charging 110 rupees for each soap, but generic Aadhar are charging 45 rupees for each soap. These products is comes in 55% discount across the India in generic Aadhar franchisee.
On the occasion of 5th phase of product launch, generic Aadhar is introducing itraconazole 200 mg capsules. It comes under the category of antifungal drugs. It is used in the treatment of fungal infections. Itraconazole is used to stop the growth of fungi infections such as mouth, throat and other body parts such as fingernails and toenails. It is available all across generic Aadhar stores at affordable price and up to 80% discount. Other MNC companies provide this itraconazole 200 mg capsules at 211 rupees. But we generic Aadhar provide this medicine to our end customers at 35.57 rupees with a discount or up to 84%.
We are here to launch the 5th phase of generic Aadhar product for the people of our country. So we are introducing Cefixime 100 mg. It comes under the category of antibiotic, and now my colleague will explain you about the product.
Cefixime is used for wide variety of bacterial infections such as urinary tract infection, respiratory tract infection, infection of skin, eye, ear, throat, many more. It acts against prevent the bacteria from growing inside our body and prevent further spreading of infection in our body.
It is manufactured under the WHO GMP facility, and it is available in all our generic Aadhar store at up to 80% discount. The MNC are charging the same product at 102 rupees 50 paise, but generic Aadhar is charging the same product for 36 rupees 50 paise. That is, customers are getting a discount of around 65%.
Today, on great occasion of Republic Day, we are introducing our 5th phase of new product launching. We are introducing our new product aceclofenac 100 mg and paracetamol 325 mg tablet. This is a combination of two medicines, comes under the category of non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs. This combination of medicines commonly prescribed in pain, fever and inflammation. This particular combination of medicines reduces the pain and inflammation in the critical conditions like rheumatoid arthritis, osteoarthritis, ankylosing spondylitis. And also this particular combination, aceclofenac and paracetamol, commonly prescribed in low back pain and also prescribed in back toothache and pain pain in ear and throat. So aceclofenac 100 mg and paracetamol combination product is available across all over generic Aadhar store in India at very affordable price, and our product is available in 13 rupees 37 paisa, whereas the multinational companies are charging for this particular products range in 75 to 80 rupees. So here in generic Aadhar product, paracetamol and aceclofenac combination is saving a hard-earned money of patients up to 82%.
On this special day of Ganatantra Divas, Generic Aadhar is launching its next product Metformin 500 mg immediate release, which is also a basket. Earlier we are having Metformin 500 SR in our basket, and today we are launching 500 mg IR, which is a first therapy is been prescribed for diabetes patient, which is widely prescribed all across the nation. And due to the high demand, we have come up with this product, wherein the other companies are offering this product at 25 rupees. जनरिक आधार सिर्फ एंड सिर्फ 14 रुपये 41 पैसे में आम नागरिक के लिए, इंडिया के लिए ये प्रोडक्ट लेके आ रहा है. दैट इट मीन्स कॉमन मैन इज सेविंग 44% ऑफ देयर मंथली बजट इन द मेडिसिन. At the same time, we would like to specify Metformin 500 plus Vildagliptin 50 mg. आम इंसान जब बाकी की कंपनियों के प्रोडक्ट खरीदते हैं तो उनका मंथली एक्सपेंस होता है 1300 रुपया पर महीना, जबकि जनरिक आधार वही प्रोडक्ट आपको सिर्फ एंड सिर्फ 258 रुपीज़ में पर महीने में आपको पूरा मंथली आपका बजट लगता है. Metformin 500 plus Vildagliptin 50 mg. So you can just check like what is the huge saving we are doing for our people, for our India. Thank you.
In cardiovascular category, today we are launching Fenofibrate 160 mg and Rosuvastatin 10 mg tablet. It comes under the critical care. This particular medicine controls the high cholesterol level in the blood by increasing the high density lipoprotein in the blood and simultaneously reducing the low density lipoprotein, which regulates blood cholesterol level and prevent the chances of heart attack. This particular product is now available with Generic Aadhaar stores at up to 80% discount. We can check at market. Today MNC companies is providing a strip of 10 tablet at 150 rupees, whereas at Generic Aadhaar, our end customer can get this facility at rupees 40 for 10 tablets, where the patient can save their hard-earned money up to 80%. Thank you.
Today at Generic Aadhaar, we are happy to announce our new cardiac product, that is Atenolol 25 mg tablet. It belongs to an antihypertensive drug. It is used in the treatment of hypertension, that is high blood pressure, and angina pectoris, that is heart-related chest pain, and arrhythmia, that is irregular heartbeats. It works by relaxing the blood vessels and thus improves the blood flow towards the heart, and thus it avoids future heart attack and stroke. And now it will be available in all our Generic Aadhaar stores and across India up to 80% discount, whereas other MNC charges the same medicine at 38 per strip of 14 tablets, but Generic Aadhaar is offering the same medicine at 7.78 per strip of 14 tablets. That means overall Generic Aadhaar is giving 77% discount to the end customer. Thank you.
Now we are launching in anti-diabetic category Voglibos 0.2 mouth dissolving tablet. This tablet, which widely prescribed in type 2 diabetes mellitus. This Voglibos 0.2 mouth dissolving tablets which reduce the blood glucose level in the bloodstream. This tablets is available in across the India at Generic Aadhaar franchise store. Now MNC are charging 64 rupees per strip, but Generic Aadhaar just providing 10 rupees 32 paisa for per strip. This product is available in 84% discount for our end customer. This product is available in Generic Aadhaar franchise store.
Today we are launching our new product, that is Cefixime 200 mg tablet. That is under the category of antibiotic. Cefixime is used for the treatment of bacterial infection. That is always useful for the respiratory tract infection, urinary tract infection, and also the infection of skin, sinuses of throat, ear, nose, more like.
It is available in all our Generic Aadhaar stores at up to 80% discount. The MNC rate is around 107 rupees, but Generic Aadhaar is providing the same medicine at 68 rupees. That is a discount of nearly 37%.
Today we are launching Metoprolol Succinate 25 mg tablets. It comes under the category of antihypertensive drugs. It is used to treat high blood pressure, angina and heart rhythms. It is used to lower blood pressure and also reduces the risk of heart stroke, heart attacks. It is available at all our Generic Aadhaar stores at up to 80% discount. The MNC rate of the company is 95 rupees, but we Generic Aadhaar provides this medicines at around 9.75 rupees. So we are giving the end customer a discount of up to 84%.
तो जब अच्छी सेहत का चाहिए साथ तो जेनरिक आधार के साथ मिलाइए हाथ.
Today on a very auspicious day of 73rd Republic Day, we are introducing our fifth phase new product albendazole 400 mg tablet. This particular medicines come into the category of anthelmintic. This albendazole is commonly used in the treatment of parasitic worm infection, and albendazole kills the worms and stop the infection from spreading. Albendazole 400 mg tablets are available across all our generic Aadhar store in India at best quality at very affordable price, and where the patient get the benefit up to 80% discount on the medicines. Albendazole 400 mg from the multinational pharmaceutical companies are ranged from 8 to 15 rupees, whereas the generic Aadhar providing albendazole 400 mg only in 6 rupees 4 paisa for per strip. So patient can save up to 30% on their hard-earned money on albendazole 400 mg for their infection disease. Thank you.
नमस्कार. आज के गणतंत्र दिवस के शुभ अवसर पर जनरिक आधार is very proud to launch our fifth phase of product, which we are coming up with anti-diabetic range that is metformin 1000 prolonged release. Earlier we are already having product basket, in our product basket anti-diabetic medicines. 1001 prolonged release is highly prescribed for diabetes patient all across the nation. So Janrik Aadhar is coming up with this metformin 1000 gram prolonged release all across India at Janrik Aadhar franchisee stores, and wherein the other companies are giving this product at 45 to 50 rupees per strip. Janrik Aadhar price is only and only 23.10 paise per strip. That it means we are giving a discount or saving hard-earned money of our people up to 48%. Thank you.
In anti-diabetic drugs, already generic Aadhar is having a huge range of products. In addition to that, today we are launching glimepiride 1 and metformin 1000 SR tablets. This is a dual formulation. It is a combination of glimepiride and metformin. These two drugs act at the different part of the body, where the glimepiride is a bisulfonides and it acts on the pancreas and control the release of insulin, whereas metformin is acting in the liver and control the production of glucose, hence by increasing the sensitivity of the body towards insulin and control the blood sugar level. Now this product is already available with generic Aadhar in the label claim of glimepiride 1 and metformin 500. Today we are launching glimepiride 1 and metformin 1000 mg on demand of Pan India. Now this product is available with MNC companies at a rate of 99 rupees for a strip of 10 tablets, whereas at generic Aadhar this product is available at rupees 19.84 for 10 tablets, where end customer is getting 80% discount.
We are introducing fifth phase of new product. In the cardiology segment, we are introducing a triple combination of our medicines, which is atorvastatin 10 mg, aspirin 75 mg and clopidogrel 75 mg. This triple combination of medicines comes under the category of antilipidemic and anticoagulant drug segment. Atorvastatin, aspirin and clopidogrel is the triple combination of medicines work together effectively in the prevention of heart attack and stroke. And atorvastatin is a lipid lowering drug which reduces the bad cholesterol and raises the good cholesterol level. Aspirin is a non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug which prevents the platelet aggregation and prevents from the harmful blood clot in the blood vessels. And clopidogrel is anticoagulant drug. This particular triple combination of atorvastatin, aspirin and clopidogrel is available in all our generic Aadhar store across the India at very affordable price, and where the patient will get the discount up to 80%. In this particular combination of the medicine, the multinational brand range from 100 to 150 range of the one strip of medicines, whereas the generic Aadhar bring this triple combination of medicines just only on 43 rupees, and the patient can save their hard-earned money on this triple combination of atorvastatin, aspirin and clopidogrel triple combination medicines at 61% discount. Okay, so that's a wonderful product for all the cardiac patients. They can relieve from their chronic disease.
We are cheerful to announce our new product, that is atenolol 50 mg tablets. It comes under the cardiac range that belongs to an antihypertensive drug. It is used in the treatment of hypertension, that is high blood pressure, and many more cardiac diseases. It works by relaxing the blood vessels and making the heart more efficient to pump the blood throughout the body and improves the blood flow to the heart. And all these products are WHO and GMP certified facilities, and now it will be available in all our generic Aadhaar stores and across India at best quality and at reasonable price, up to 80% discount as compared to other MNC companies. Whereas other MNCs providing the same medicine at 42 to 45 per strip of 14 tablets, but generic Aadhaar is providing the same medicine at only 10.9 rupees per strip of 14 tablets. That means overall generic Aadhaar is giving 77% discount on end customer. Thank you.
Now we are launching our new product Voglibos 0.3, which comes under the category of anti-diabetic. This product is widely useful for diabetic 2 mellitus. It is useful for the reduce the blood glucose level into the bloodstream. This product is highly demanded across the India. So this product is available into generic Aadhaar franchisee up to 80% discount. These products we are MNC charging around 88 rupees for per strip, but generic Aadhaar is giving just 11.10 paisa for per strips. This product is available in 84% discount for each and every customer of generic Aadhaar.
Today we are launching metoprolol succinate 50 mg tablets. It comes under the category of antihypertensive drugs. It is used to treat higher blood pressure, angina and heart rhythms. It helps to lower the blood pressure and it also reduces the stroke and heart attack. It is available at all our generic Aadhaar store at up to 80% discount. Other MNC companies give this product at the rate of 860 rupees, but we generic Aadhaar provide this at the rate of 15.54. So we are giving up to 70% discount to our end customer.
Here to launch our next product, that is Cefuroxime 500. It comes under the category of antibiotic and it is used to stop the growth of bacteria, and it is used for the treatment of gonorrhea and Lyme disease and skin diseases. It is available in all our generic Aadhaar store up to 80% discount, and the MNC are charging the product at 480 rupees, but generic Aadhaar is providing the same medicine at 112 rupees. That is a discount of around 77%. So people are saving their hard-earned money from generic Aadhaar products.
आज जहां पूरा भारतवर्ष अपना 73वां गणतंत्रता दिवस मना रहा है, उनके साथ ही जेनरिक आधार जो एक भारत की कंपनी है, एकमात्र फार्मास्यूटिकल कंपनी है जो अफोर्डेबल मेडिसिन प्रोवाइड करती है, हाई क्वालिटी मेडिसिन प्रोवाइड करती है। अब तक हमारे 4 चरण हम पूरे कर चुके हैं और 5वें चरण में आज जेनरिक आधार ने 73वें गणतंत्रता दिवस के उपलक्ष्य में 22 प्रोडक्ट अलग अलग थेराप्यूटिक कैटेगरीज में, जैसे कि कार्डियोवास्कुलर, डायबिटिक, एंटी फंगल, पेन मैनेजमेंट, सभी में बहुत सारे अब तक 5 चरण में प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च किए हैं और आज बहुत ही नए यूनिक प्रोडक्ट ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ पैन इंडिया डिमांड हम लाते रहे हैं। और आज हमने अपना एक जो लक्ष्य था 5वें चरण का 22 प्रोडक्ट का लॉन्च करना है 2022 में, उसको सक्सेसफुल बनाया है। इस चरण का सबसे आखिरी प्रोडक्ट जो अब मेरे हाथ में है वो है ग्लिमिपिराइड 1, ग्लिमिपिराइड 2 एंड मेटफॉर्मिन 1000 SR टैबलेट। ये एक एंटी डायबिटिक दवाई है और एक बहुत ही बेसिक मॉलिक्यूल है जो हर डायबिटिक पेशेंट को डॉक्टर प्रिस्क्राइब करता है। ये मॉलिक्यूल जब हम MNC कंपनीज का लेने जाते हैं तो उसका हमें कॉस्ट पड़ता है 140 रुपीज़ फॉर स्ट्रिप ऑफ 10 टैबलेट्स, बट आज जेनरिक आधार के पास ये मेडिसिन्स अपने भारतवासियों के लिए मात्र 20 रुपये 48 पैसे में अ स्ट्रिप ऑफ 10 टैबलेट्स प्रोवाइड करा रहा है, जहां पे हमारे भारतवासी अपनी मेहनत की कमाई 80% तक बचा सकते हैं।